one more thing. Actually, I just saw my video one more time. So, initially, right during opening phase and till some point, I smiled. Like I saw like two or three videos. I smiled, and I'm very confident on it. Like after some time, like after 30 seconds or 35 seconds, that smile is missing from my video. Actually, so how to be consistent on it? Or
See,
yeah.
of course, the smile is something which we cannot fake. Okay, and even though if we are faking, we cannot handle it for the long time, right? We cannot have that smile on our face for the longer period of time, right? So see, what you can do is first you need to make sure that you are feeling happy. Okay, because we can smile when we are feeling happy. If we are not feeling happy, how are we supposed to smile, right? So how exactly you will feel happy? Just focus on some positive memory. Focus on some memory which gives you happiness. You can focus on your achievements, and you can constantly think about it, and automatically you will feel happiness inside you, and you will get that smile. Okay, and whenever you are creating videos, whenever you remind yourself that, okay, or whenever you feel that, oh, I am just missing my smile, start smiling. Okay, I do that. Okay, whenever I'm taking sessions, and whenever I feel that, okay, the session is going too serious, then I smile, I do some drama into the session, and then again session becomes interactive. Okay,
Okay.
so you need to smile, and of course we are human being, right? All the time we cannot smile,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So whenever you get inside your mind that, okay, I'm missing my smile, or the talk is going very serious, okay, just change your mood, okay,
Okay.
and just do some drama and start speaking.